Good morning, everyone. I toast to you and all you do. I hope you're having a fantastic morning today. So, it is the dark moon today, so we're going to talk a little bit about that, but it does tie into the questions, so they're all together, which really works out. So, today is the dark moon in Scorpio, which is a very passionate moon, and it can help you to see deeper into your true self, into your darkest places, into your deepest desires. The story of Scorpio, um, tells of this small creature that has such a great power to be able to destroy the greatest hunter, Orion. And it's such a small, little tiny scorpion, and it carries such great power, and it really shows you that you can find power in any place, even when you feel like you are the weakest and the smallest and unable to accomplish anything. If you tap into the energy of Scorpio, you can find the power to do anything. And during this dark moon, it can really help you to look deeper and do dream magic, even and looking into your intuition, working with your intuition. Any of those kind of things are going to be really potent right now. There seems to be a lot of traffic today. I don't know if you guys can hear the trucks driving by. Anyways, so interestingly, right now, this full moon or dark moon is also opposing Uranus. So Uranus is it is going to search for truths, and it's going to like bring them up to the surface. So you're really going to highlight these truths. So if you're looking for an answer, if you're looking for, if you have a question and you need this something, right now is going to be a really good time to find that truth. Divination is going to be really, really potent today. Anything that you do will give you the answers that you need, not necessarily what you want to hear, but you will definitely get the answers that you need today during divination. And with all of that said, today's question is, what do I enjoy about myself? What do I truly enjoy? What brings me joy? What do I enjoy? And so ask yourself that. Ask yourself what brings you joy? What brings your passion to life? And that's why with this Scorpio moon can kind of help with that. It's because it will help you to really tap into that passion, tap into that inner joy, and think about what brings you joy. I know that when you're doing introspective work, a lot of the questions are really deep. They're hard. They're like yesterday's, am I comfortable in my own skin? And sometimes when we're doing introspective, we forget to stop and think about the things that we are blessed with, that bring us joy, that are making us happy. And so today, I really encourage you to think about that. What do you enjoy about yourself? What do you, where is your joy in yourself? And honor that, and really and be thankful for that, and take a moment to give thanks for those joys, and think about how you can how can you fill your cup with that joy so that it can overflow into the rest of your life, and really, just honor that joy and your passion. And I don't know if I have much else to say about that. Just it's a pretty straightforward thing. And this moon will really help you figure that out. Just as a side note on the moon energy, there is a lot of other things going on astrologically. Mercury and Venus are square. We have other grantees. So there's a lot of conflict in the stars right now. And so it's going to show you some upheavals. It's going to show you some truths. It's going to show you some things. And you might feel a little bit of conflict right now. You might feel like you're being pulled in more than one direction. And that's where today's question can kind of come in. And knowing what brings you joy and what you enjoy about yourself, and kind of helping you to focus that chaos into order of joy, and let the truths that are unveiled help you to see what you need to see so that you can be happy and you can find more joy. Sometimes when we see truths we don't want to see, they're upsetting, and we don't see the bigger picture. Hindsight is 20/20. But if today you get a vision that's not as pleasant as you would like, or a truth you don't want to hear, think about that truth and how it's going to make things better knowing the truth. So, with all of that said, and knowing our question already, I think that's about it. So this video is going to be pretty short and straightforward. And yeah, I challenge you today to think about what brings you joy. What do you enjoy about yourself? What makes you happy? Not happy, but joyful. And trying to think about the difference between those two things. And how you can bring more joy into your life. And yeah, I think that's it. I keep trying to think of something else to say to make this video longer, but I don't think that's necessary because that's it. So we have the Darkmoon in Scorpio, which is really highlighting our passions and our truths, and is going to help you to dive deeper into anything that you're doing. So if you're doing dream work, that's great. This is a great night to do that. And then I challenge you to really think about your enjoyment in yourself and what you like to do. So I hope that you have a very enjoyable day, and that this dark moon highlights some truths that you need to see in your life. So, many blessings. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you all soon.